This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Yet another beautiful way to start the week, and this is the Christmas season. The time to reflect on the year gone by, the time to be grateful, that's the specialty of this season. And today, that is why it is also another sweet way of saying badhai ho as well as thank you to the new entrants at MMT. One of the new entrants into MMT, and he says it's just been 100 days at MMT. He's based out of Belgaum, and he's in the hotel supply department. Piyush Rane is on the show with me today. Badhai ho aapko, Piyush ji.
Thank you.
पीयूष जी, so 100 days कैसा लग रहा है?
100 days, it's quite been a wonderful journey. I joined, like you can say, I joined at a right time. Once I joined over here, like all the events I had to attend, like the NHO in Bangalore, THM, and after that we also had a BD meet in Goa. As we are in hotel supply team, my team is scattered. So we had a wonderful time with my teammates as well by meeting them frequently.
तो फिर जब टीम मेंबर से मिलते हैं तो मोटिवेशन आ जाता है और थोड़ा इंस्पिरेशन भी मिलता है. तो 100 दिन में, 100 डेज में आपको कैसा इंस्पिरेशन मिला है एमएमटी में?
सब लोग ना बहुत अच्छा मोटिवेटेड है. And like the best thing is like once like जब सब लोग motivated रहते हैं, we also like enjoy working along. Irrespective of the work, like कितना काम है जो है सब मन लगा के करेंगे. That's what it's been.
Good.
Go MMT Radio.
Today, when you start your day, put the customer in the center and answer every communication as if you are on the receiving end. Let's show our customers that we truly care. Hello, I am Parikshit Chaudhary and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hello Trippers, my name is Ankush and I am from the whole supply team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hello Trippers, my name is Arushi Dogra. I am from HR department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hello Trippers, this is Mubashir Iqbal from B2B department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hello Trippers, I am Tanya Singh from HR department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
On the show with पीयूष राणे, बधाई हो है शो का नाम, और ये होटल सप्लाई डिपार्टमेंट से हैं. 100 दिन ही हुए हैं इन्हें एमएमटी ज्वाइन करे. बेलगाम से है. तो ट्रैवल के बारे में पीयूष, हाउ मच डू यू लव ट्रैवल एंड हाउ मेनी सिटीज हैव यू बीन इन इंडिया ऑलरेडी?
Cities, if you see, I have covered most of the southern part of India. And north also I have covered last year. Northeast I have yet to travel, like yet to explore. Next year I am planning to visit the northeast as well as Nepal.
After you covered the south and then when you went to the north, what is that one difference you saw between the two places, two regions?
Two regions, what we can say is like south, we see like most of it is into like coastals and lush greenery is there. And north, when we go, like everything is mountains and like especially Leh Ladakh and Manali part, like it is covered in snow. Like had been at the right time, like when there was the first snowfall in Manali.
Nice.
So we also had the chance to do parasailing and like visit Solang Valley for all the activities on. So
there are quite a few adventures also you've done, huh?
Yeah. Like I'm into adventure motorsports also.
What is your favorite?
Usually we go off-roading on two-wheelers, not in cars. Like two-wheelers, like we do go. That's the best time of the year, like what I feel is in the monsoons.
Yes, absolutely. तो पीयूष, ये जो मोटर स्पोर्ट्स में आप दिलचस्पी दिखा रहे हैं और आपको बहुत मजा आता है दोस्तों के साथ, इसके बारे में थोड़ा और हमें बताइए. Can you tell us more?
अपना समर सीजन में वगैरह ना सब लोग ऐसे थक गए रहते, ज्यादा ऐसा कहाँ पे बाहर जाने के लिए नहीं होता है. Like as the heat is also a lot over here,
right.
So the monsoon start, like हमको ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे बचपन में ना बारिश का फर्स्ट जब बारिश होती है ना, तो जब मिट्टी की स्मेल आती है ना, दैट इज स्टिल लाइक अ थिंग फॉर मी. सो दैट्स व्हाई लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स वी गो फॉर मोटर स्पोर्ट्स हर एक वीकेंड लाइक, एंड वी ऑल्सो गो फॉर कैंपिंग. सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट फॉर 2 days, लाइक सैटरडे जाते हैं, संडे तक वापस आ जाते हैं. कैंपिंग प्लस अपना मोटर स्पोर्ट्स, एवरीथिंग वी ट्राई टू कवर.
I have a quick rapid fire round right now for you. I have another one in the end also. But right now, I have where you can answer in a quick either or format. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
The rapid fire round.
Pen or pencil, Piyush?
Pencil.
Chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Summer or winter?
Winters.
Nice. Beach vacation or mountain retreat?
Mountain retreat.
Okay. क्योंकि beaches तो आप देख ही लेते हो बार बार, है ना?
Yeah, like it's hardly an hour from here, like Goa.
Okay. Sweet or savory?
Sweet.
Netflix or YouTube?
YouTube.
Sneakers or sandals?
Sneakers.
Sneakers, huh? Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram.
Car or bike?
Obviously bikes.
Okay. E-book or physical book?
Physical books.
All right. Comedy or action movies?
Action movies.
Roller coasters or Ferris wheels?
Roller coasters.
Scuba diving or skydiving?
Skydiving.
Have you already tried it or you're waiting to take it off your bucket list?
Next year I'm trying to plan it.
Oh, that's good. So, at MMT, how has your experience been so far? How are the colleagues treating you? How is the company overall?
Company is very good overall. Speaking about my colleagues, like they are just one call away. Like time का कुछ नहीं देखना है, कभी भी कॉल करो. Whenever I'm stuck with any of the thing, like they are like open to help me at any given point. ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी ये टाइम पे कॉल मत करो, ऐसा नहीं. There is no restrictions.
Oh, that is lovely to know. And this makes you feel comfortable, right, Piyush?
Yeah, most comfortable.
Is this your first job or have you worked in a corporate setup before?
So previously I had been into financial sector like HDFC and Axis. I used to handle portfolio management service.
Oh, nice. So this is very different from what you were doing there.
Yeah, you can call it 100 days, 100 learning.
That is so good. So here I want to ask you if you're ready for the next rapid fire round.
Yeah.
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
What's your favorite color and why do you like it so much?
White is my favorite color, and white is favorite because I like to get it dirty.
Okay. When it comes to movies, do you have a favorite director?
Joe Russo, the director of Endgame and the Marvel series.
So Joe Russo, the Russo brothers. What's your all-time favorite TV show?
It's been quite a while that TV shows I've been watching, but my last TV show was Game of Thrones.
Okay then. Is there a recipe or a dish that you're really passionate about and you've tried cooking at home?
Yeah, few times I tried this gajar ka halwa, like with the help of my mom, obviously, but it couldn't turn up that well like how my mom prepared.
Oh, it's okay, but at least you tried, and I'm sure your mom must have been really happy.
Yeah.
Tell me about your dream destination.
The dream destination would be Iceland. Why? Because like I want to do a tour, motorcycle tour in the volcanoes over there.
That is pretty cool. Who is your chosen superhero? Your ultimate favorite?
Spider-Man.
Oh, Spidey is what you said. All right, Spidey it is. What's your favorite hobby?
Motorcycling again.
Oh, and it has kind of changed your life. You cannot do without it.
Yeah.
So what bike do you own?
Currently, I have two bikes. One is the BMW GSA 310 and another is CB650.
Not bad. Thank you so much, Piyush. It was so nice having you on the show. And once again, badhai ho.
Thank you, Annie.
Piyush Rane from Belgaum Hotel Supply Department. And yes, it's just been 100 days since he joined MMT. The show, badhai ho. With that, I've come to the end of this very beautiful show today. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie. I'm going to catch you now on Wednesday with Wonder Woman. Till then, keep smiling and stay absolutely cheerful.
Musu hasi dil malaila, musu hasi dil. Zara muskura de, zara muskura de, खुशी गम बांट ले तू अपने हमसे तू ले खुशी हम हो गए अब तेरे तू खो गई अपनी मुस्मुसी दिल मलाला मुस्मुसी दिल जरा मुस्कुरा दे जरा मुस्कुरा दे ऐ खुशी.
Hello, Go Trippers! This is Ranveer Singh and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go!
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.